Hey guys, how you doing? Today we are going to be making a Riot Sheild for Airsoft and Paintball purposes out of the back of a washing machine. Now, why out of the back of the washing machine, I don't know, but someday something like this might happen to you on the field. Alright, you know, and you don't want that to be your face, right? So, it helps. Enjoy the video. Alright guys, today's build is going to be super stupid simple. First we got the laundry thing back. I just forgot how to say words. We got the back of the washer. Got this little utility pole, a little handle we can use, rivets, and to cover up these holes, I ran to Ace Hardware and I got this plexiglass. I measured it out 4x3. Inch pieces to cover these, but for whatever you're doing, you might have to get a larger piece. Trying to decide where I want to bolt these. You might have to bash out this area. Yeah, that's just what I'm gonna have to do. Make some more room in the hand. Always wear ear protection when using the anvil.
War never changes.
Hey guys, sorry for that intro. I had like 9 kickstarts before I started that, but I want to talk about something a little bit serious now, just in the middle of the video. Because of new YouTube policies and stuff with the whole ad thing, I'm pretty sure everyone has heard about it at this point, about needing 1,000 subscribers and over 4,000 hours of watch time, I think that equals up to 240,000 minutes. Okay, now, I mean, I hate asking for this in videos, right? But if you guys could share this video with at least like 3 other people, then my watch time would double increasingly. Now, I know, me being a really small channel, I don't really get a lot of revenue off that. But it sucks working really, really hard, right? And just having something happen because some idiot on the top, otherwise known as Logan Paul, you know, does like this thing and then everyone at the bottom gets punished. So I mean, but that's a rant for another day. But really, if you guys could share this video, I would really appreciate it. Thanks. Sweet. We are in business. I'm gonna use some of these pop reds to attach this bitch. Alright, I just did that. I shot my red gun. Now, am I gonna need more rivets than that? Because I got 2 more holes. Why the hell not? Let's do it. Okay, so I just got a bit of foam here. I'm gonna cut out a small square and glue it on the inside of this. Now I guess the main thing is just leaving that alone for now and letting it do its thing. That's the main thing. Okay, so I got this leather strap and I'm gonna get some more foam. I'm just gonna put it on here. But then I'm gonna kind of do like a latch thing. So whenever I go around and grab it, it's at least somewhat comfortable to hold. Nice. Got the whole strap system. This part is pretty complete. I mean, that feels pretty good actually. I like that. But the only problem now, right? You could use it like this if you wanted to. But if you have holes in it, you might get shot through the holes, you know, from BBs or paintballs or whatever. So I got this plexiglass here that I'm just gonna drill in right now, but man, I'm liking the way this looks right now. I mean, even though it's garbage, it's garbage that looks all right. Not that bad. Here is special stuff. All right, so how I'm going to do this, right? I want to try to scratch this up as, you know what, I don't care, it's gonna be shot with BBs anyways. I am doing this for all you OCD freaks out there. See if it'll focus. All right. Yeah, it's kind of hard to see on the camera, but you could tell how much better that looks. Oh geez, you could tell how much better that looks with the plexiglass in it. You're definitely not gonna get hit at all through this. And one thing I added that foam in the back. I thought that would be a good little addition because you can see these little bumps. I've shot this before. You know, just left the little bumps in it, and you know, I didn't want it to hit my arm, so that's why I added the styrofoam. And I like how I'm not sure if you can see it, but I like how the foam is kind of taking form to my knuckles. That's pretty cool. Hey, thank you for watching the whole video. I really appreciate it. I guess we'll see you next time.